Yeah. Set coming in and the money don't fold. Gotta put a stamp on it. Just hit a plate, scrape it off the plate. Hey, gotta put the.
You ain't got look, hey. You got the number.
What's up, guys? Got the wheel hub. This is the inside. That bitch is fucked up, boy. It stops. That's what the truck was doing. The tire was stopping and it was making that ugly noise. Yeah, we're gonna get it right now. Catch her now.
It's 9 feet. Yeah. It's 9 feet.
No, bitch. You gotta show me that. We're on our way to the junkyard right now. We're finna go look for a wheel hub. Shit, fuck around, get some more parts for the truck. Shit, you never know. Find something nice. They be having some nice parts sometimes. I was thinking about maybe what do you call it? The Escalade interior. Shit, if I see a nice Escalade interior, shit, I'm going for it. Oh yeah, damn, I'm calling it right now. Yeah, man, shit. I'll let y'all know right now whenever we get to the junkyard. Going through like 4 junkyards, we finally found one. Hopefully this one has it though. I haven't checked, but we're finna find out right now. So, ready, Herman, or what? Yeah. So we're gonna take the part then. Where the fuck? Ready with the ratchet?
Alright.
Yeah, so we left the motherfucking junkyard because these niggas fucked around and said that we need an ID to go inside. What the fuck kind of shit is that?
Have no ID.
Yeah, niggas don't have no ID, so yeah, we fucked. Gonna have to fucking try to buy the part somehow. I guess every junkyard probably asks for an ID. Alright, we got off at the store to buy something to eat. Niggas ain't even wait. Niggas already ate the shit before we even got to the goddamn truck. Goddamn. Well, we ended up coming back and just chilling right here. We're gonna wait for a miracle or something to happen. So, yeah, we'll see right now what we can do. We'll probably sell the truck and buy the part. Right?
She said, can she fuck me with my diamond chain? If I ain't in the bank, then I'm on the plane. Got to go get some money or go spend some money. They stopped me in the airport, had too many bitches on me. They don't want you to live, they don't want you to ball. The smile in your face, yeah, then they pray for you to fall. Hey, young, stay focused. But
Well, we just got a call, and I'd say like 8 months ago, we had a truck that it had got stolen and stuff, and we ain't hear nothing from it no more. It's been at least 8 months. Well, we got the call today, and we're finna go check it out. Yep, we're on our way to the toy yard. We're finna go check it out. Most likely it's gonna be all gutted out, but we'll see right now. It's gonna be a long little trip. Texas City. We'll get there. So from here to Texas City, I say it's probably like a 30-minute drive. So yeah, I'll catch y'all whenever we get over there. So yeah, we're on our way already. But Lewis, you know what I'm saying? What's up, Lewis? How you think we're gonna find the truck? What you think it's gonna be looking like?
Just the chassis.
Yeah, shit. We finna see right now. It's gonna be a little fucked up probably. Hopefully not, but we finna check it out right now. Shit, we got a long drive.
One thing I never seen was a bitch I need. All I need is money, what the fuck you think? Tryna slip away my problem with promethazine. I'm tryna make a way, it's harder than it seems. I'm tryna stay low-key for tryna make a scene. No time for a bitch, she either stay or leave.
Yeah, so we're almost there. How far are we now? 5 minutes. We're 5 minutes away. I don't know, man. Just want to see what it looks like already. Hopefully it's fixed up. Right? Shit. Some rims, some bang. For real. Shit, we finna see. We're almost there. It's getting a little dark. Shit. We're about to pull up. Finna see what it look like. Well, we fucking pulled up and they say we had a call ahead of time so they could meet us here. So yeah, now we gotta wait fucking 30 minutes to an hour. But I didn't even see the fucking sign. Bitch even says it right there, but it don't say it on the fucking paper. Bitch ass niggas. Yeah, so I don't know what the fuck we finna do while we wait. But shit, we gonna wait cause ain't no point in driving all the way back, man. It was a long drive and then just to drive back. Fuck that. We finna wait. So, catch y'all right now. We still here waiting and shit. Niggas still can't get here. It's already getting dark and shit. We ain't gonna be able to see shit. But, yeah, man, like I said in Louis, I think the wheels are gonna be gone. The doors are gonna be gone. The radio, the tailgate, the speakers, the door speakers. What else? The fucking headlights, the tail lights. Watch, all that shit's gonna be gone. Just waiting for this motherfucker to pull up so we could fucking see it already. Taking a minute. I'm gonna find out right now when this nigga pulls up. Now we're gonna get back at you. Well, it's been a fucking hour now. We're still fucking waiting for this guy to pull up. He's still in here, so I don't know how much longer he's gonna take or what. But he needs to hurry the fuck up. Cause I ain't got all night. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, man. Fuck. Hopefully that's my guy right there. Yeah. Hell no. It is not. Bruh. I thought it was him and it's not. That's fucked up. There he goes, there he goes. Hell yeah. There goes my guy. There goes the guy I've been waiting for. We gotta follow you in there or what? Okay. Alright guys, he's here guys. We're finna find out. It's time.
Take him in that page. Oh boy, I fucking
take that whole oh shit.
Huh?
We finna find out. It's finna be the moment of truth. You know what I'm saying? There it is. Guys, we're finna look at it. I see it right here. From the looks of it right now,
Change the lights.
I don't see nothing bad. It still has the rims. They don't have the mirrors. Oh shit. Damn, the grill. I don't know where all those hoses came from. That's crazy. These niggas got a stove in here. Wow. They're just hitting licks because there's a whole nother grill in here. Headlights and shit. These niggas were just hitting licks, bro. Speakers are still there. Whoa. The whole front end is gone. They took the headlights. Damn. Hey, all that shit was in the back? Nah, man, they had stolen it.
Motherfucker, huh?
Yeah, and there's like a lot of parts in there, like,
Oh, did it run when you had it? Hell yeah.
it's trash.
The guy took the motor, didn't he?
Huh?
Did he take the motor?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
I bet they did. Hell, you know they took the motor.
No, the motor's there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, the motor's there. But they took the whole front end.
Huh?
Look.
Oh, man, you lucky.
Yeah, the whole motor's there.
Tranny there? What about the tranny?
They took the battery. The battery.
Take this shit off.
They take the tranny. They take transmission. Looks like it's leaning back. They take the tranny.
Nah, I don't think so.
The tranny. Oh,
It is?
Okay.
Yeah, the tranny's there. They took the whole front end. Look.
Huh?
The grill's in the back.
Goddamn.
Yeah, the grill's in the back. The wheels are there, surprisingly. It's all 4 rims.
Where you live at?
Pasadena.
I'm bringing 2.
Damn, that is crazy. Niggas took the whole carpet off of this bitch. They took the whole carpet off, bro. What? No way. Niggas had a whole vacuum in here. I wonder what all these little parts are. This is fucking crazy. Insane. Fucking insane.
Ya lo manchaban de pintura, pues eso es fiction.
The seats are all unscrewed and shit. Like, they were parting this bitch out. Surprising they didn't take the rims. Shit. I mean, they're a little fucked up, but it's good. This is crazy, guys. This is fucking crazy. I can't believe this. They really found the truck. After a long 8 months, they finally found it. Wow. I'm amazed right now. Niggas took the whole plastic from here, from the bumper. I think it's inside of the truck. But they took a bunch of shit. But you got, you know what I'm saying, trust the process. You know what I'm saying, we're gonna get it back together. And shit, at least it has the motor, main thing, and the transmission. Fucking bumper's ready to come off. Damn, that's crazy. Just was ready to sell this bitch. The bumper is loose and shit. Fool, look, the bumper is ready to come off. Look. Yeah, guys. So right now we're finna go see where is it that we gotta pay at, and we'll be back for it. Just needs a battery. So, yeah, it got everything, man. Everything for it to run. It should be. It's just a battery. Boy said you can't leave it out there though, cause they'll take it again. Funny motherfucker, huh? Hey, the hood's still on here. Hey, this is fucking crazy, guys. New project for the channel. Dickinson, Texas.
2800 Hill Street, Dickinson, Texas. They brought in on Galveston County PD. Galveston County. Sheriff's Department.
Minor setback for a major comeback, baby. Y'all wait for it. Shit's all fucked up. But we'll get it back together. Motherfuckers. Alright guys, we're finna see if we can get it right now. If not, we're gonna have to wait till the morning because I don't know if this guy's gonna be able to come back. But we're gonna get it out. We're finna get a battery. We're finna come back. We're finna be ready. Hopefully it starts and fucking light turned off. Hopefully it starts and I'll let y'all know. But right now we're gonna go see where we could go pay for it at. Catch y'all right now. That is fucking crazy, huh? This is right there. Damn. You shall be a race truck. Huh? Within a couple months, you will be a race truck. You will not be in this condition. We'll be back for you. Well guys, we ended up going to the place and the shit was closed. They said we gotta wait till tomorrow, so we'll go tomorrow and we'll get that bitch for sure. Y'all gonna see new little project coming soon. Trust the process. Finna go to the crib right now. Finna go see what's up, what's going down. I'll let y'all know right now. It is currently the next day and we're gonna go pick up the truck today, hopefully. Right now, we're gonna take this long ass drive. I'd say at least an hour till we get there. And then we still gotta figure out how we're gonna take the truck to the house. But we'll get it done. See y'all right now.
DJ Boomer Mix.
There, we finna see is a fucking tow truck sitting there. Now we got to wait at least another hour. Hey, look at that. Alright, we're like 3 minutes away. We're about to pull up and we're finna see. I don't know what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna get it towed. But if anything, we'll pull that bitch and I'll drive that hoe. I don't give a fuck. We are arriving. And the guy is here, luckily. Fucking tow truck's here, so this should be quick. We have arrived at Bazzoni. We got that boy Herman in the back. Boy hiding. Hey. But yeah, man, finna see what's up already. Hopefully we get this bitch the fuck out of here right now. At least he lets us pull that bitch out and leave that bitch out here. And then we're for the tow truck, so that nigga don't be just sitting there looking at her. Well guys, we've been back and shit from the fucking tow yard and my fucking phone died and I couldn't find my charger. I couldn't fucking use the GPS. I couldn't call nobody, so I ain't have no choice but to fucking drive back. So yeah guys, I was mad though because it's like, damn, we already had the money and everything, you know, we were ready to go get the truck. We had the tow truck already set up and everything, but it's like, damn. And so Yeah, we have to fucking go later on or something and try to get it back. But that's gonna be on the next vlog because this vlog's already too long and I'm literally just over one little thing on the fucking title. It's like everything went to shit. So we couldn't bring the truck. So we're still gonna try again later on, like later on today. But I'm just gonna editing it already and I've been trying to finish it and I haven't posted nothing. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on the next vlog so we can have lots of more content. But yeah guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.